Hi, Earth Magic Essentials. Today we're talking about how to use your essential oils. Maybe you just barely got some, or maybe you've had them for a while, but you don't know how to use them. So there's 3 different ways to use your essential oils, and this is aromatically, topically, and eternally. So we'll dive into aromatically. This is probably the most easiest familiar. Maybe you smelt them before by going to a spa or a store or your friend's house. Most of the time they're using a diffuser where you put water in it and your desired amount of essential oils, and it just mists out of this diffuser like a humidifier, and it gets in the air and you breathe that in, and anything you breathe in with essential oils is aromatically. You can also diffuse with a purpose. So say you want like a calming, relaxing feel, you want to diffuse frankincense, cedarwood, and lavender, and you can diffuse that just before you go to bed. It gives you that relaxing feel. What if you don't have a diffuser? You can use cotton balls wherever you want that smell to be. You just put a couple drops on your cotton ball, put it in those places, then you have that scent around. You can also get a spray bottle, put water in it and your desired amount of essential oils that way, and mist the air. Also put a drop on your palm and breathe it in a few times, or breathe it through the bottle and get that aromatic benefits through your nose. It's great for emotional support. Aromatically is just one that I use every day using my diffusers. All right, number 2, topically. This is the most common. People really seem to like using it topically, and the most common place to use this is on the feet because they have the largest pores, and your nerve endings is connected to your feet. So as this essential oils is absorbed through your feet, your nerve endings is going to take it where your body needs it. And so bodies are amazing, you guys, how this works. And so the feet is always a great place. You don't know where to put it, you're in doubt, you're like, what am I going to use this for? Put it on your feet. Feet's a good place. All right. Also, if you have sensitive skin, or if just you don't like the smell and it's too strong, dilute it. Young Living has a V6 complex, a vegetable complex, but you can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, any pure oil, and dilute the essential oils. And what it does, it just spreads that out. It doesn't reduce the effectiveness. It just just spreads that out so it lasts longer. And if you're doing like a massage, that's always great. You can use those carrier oils to spread over the large surface. And a great idea for a massage is using peppermint oil. Great feeling for your muscles. All right, you can also use it to help with skincare. So for an example, say you have blemishes, tea tree is great for that. Just spot treat it with tea tree. For smoother looking skin, try bergamot essential oil or lemon, but be careful with the citrus oils. Use those at your nighttime routine. They are photosensitive, which means the sun will just love your skin with those citrus oils on, will give you a sunburn, so you don't want to do that. But I love using frankincense for my skincare. I just squirt some lotion out, put a drop of frankincense in it, and just put it all over. I just love the frankincense. Also, one thought to remember when you're talking about topically is you want to avoid those toxic chemicals. Make sure what you're putting on your skin is pure and synthetic, just pure essential oils. So you're not worrying about the toxins getting into your body. Okay, internally. This is the 3rd way to use essential oils. And you also want to make sure with internally that you're using pure essential oils, because you are putting this right into your body. And a lot of the store-bought ones have fillers, synthetics, and ingredients that you don't want in your body. So make sure you're doing your research and you know what's in your essential oils before you take them internally. Young Living has a whole separate line called the Vitality line that is specifically made for internal use. No matter which essential oil you get with Young Living, though, it's exactly the same pure essential oil. They just labeled it differently for our convenience so we can tell the difference which essential oils are safe to take. So with this Vitality line, there are so many ways you can use essential oils internally. How about you put like lemon, orange, grapefruit in your water and drink that way? It tastes really good, and it can help you get rid of those soda cravings as well. Lemon's great for detoxing, grapefruit for metabolism. Oh, and maybe try putting peppermint and thieves in it, and then you have like a spicy flavor. Peppermint, great for digestion, thieves for immune system support. Every essential oil, you guys, like I said before, has a physical and emotional benefit. So also, if you're cooking with your essential oils, if you're making homemade ice cream, put a drop of lavender in it. Or maybe if you're making homemade pasta, you can use the oregano and the basil oils. That would be awesome. Or if you love Thai food, there's black pepper, lemongrass, ginger, vitality. Drop a peppermint in your brownies. That's always tastes so yummy. And the other day I used a drop of orange in my frosting when I was making cinnamon rolls. So many ways you can use this. This is just examples. So we talked about how to use essential oils aromatically, topically, and internally, but let's just add a few things here because we want to make sure you know that essential oils are very potent, so less is more. Start slow. You can always add more, but you can't take away. So start slow and see how you go. Read the labels and the directions on each essential oil bottle. Also use a carrier oil if you have sensitive skin, or if you're using a hot oil like peppermint or clove. If you're using it on children, carrier oils are great to have around. Do not put essential oils in your eyes, ears, or nose. And also lastly, essential oils are benefits for our bodies, so let's start using them, you guys, now that we know how to use them, right? Plants are here to help us, so let's start using them. And if you have any questions, let me know. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed. You always have me to reach out to. There's books, online searches, social media, so many resources out there, you guys. So make sure you subscribe, and also go to my website, www.earthsmagicessentials, and you can subscribe to my newsletter there as well. Tons of education comes to you via email, so way awesome. And so if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video.